Hello and welcome back to TechThursday. As you can see right now, we're here in the production as we wanted to answer the question why we have so many systems fully set up here. And Pascal is going to help me out.
Yes. So in the production hall, we mostly build the systems till they're 60 or 70% finished. And after that, we try to wait for the purchase of the customer, and then we will finish the system to their individual needs.
Do we have any individual configurations here?
Sometimes we do have systems that are quite outside of the box. If the customer has some special wishes like a robot integrated or a different kind of table concept, we can still do that, but we will still 100% finish the system in our production hall just to test the material onto their system itself.
Thanks for explaining and thank you for watching. See you next time.